Take out your marigold. Page number 35. Good morning, students. Take out your marigold. Okay. Page number 35. So we have completed the poem now, Sea Song. We have already completed the poem and the question answers also. So today we will discuss word building number 2. Okay. The opposite. Fill in the blanks with the opposite words choosing from the box below. Hard. The opposite of hard. Take out page number 35 and do with pencil only. Okay. The opposite of hard is soft. Then inside. Opposite of inside is outside. Then took. Opposite of took is gave. Then big. Opposite of big is small. Then came. Opposite of came is went. Then pick. Opposite of pick is drop. The next one is true. Opposite of true is false. Then curly. Opposite of curly is straight. Then cold. Opposite of cold is hot. Sweet. Opposite of sweet is bitter. Then tall. Opposite of tall is short. I am once again repeating. Hard. Opposite of hard is soft. Inside. The next one is inside. Opposite of inside is outside. Then took. Opposite of took is gave. Then big. Opposite of big is small. Next one is came. Opposite of came is went. Then pick. Opposite of pick is drop. Page number 35. Linoy. Then true. Opposite of true is false. Next one is curly. Opposite of curly is straight. Then cold. Opposite of cold is hot. Then sweet. Bitter. And last one is tall. Opposite of tall is short. All of you completed up to this? I am going to rub the board. you completed? Then upload your page. Upload your page. Let's write, okay, in your notebook this poem. I am just reading it. The sea is big. The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. Come to page number 36. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. So you have to choose the right word. Number 1. The sea is very, very. Please giving the answer. Big. The sea is very, very big. Number 2. Page number 36. You cannot see the other side. Number 3. You cannot cross the sea. Because you can only cross the sea by ship. So you cannot cross the sea. If you have ship, then you can cross the sea. You can cross it in a ship. Who have completed, please upload your page. I am repeating once again. Number 1, the sea is very, very big. Number 2, you cannot see the other side. Number 3, you cannot cross the sea. Number 4, you can cross it in a ship. Completed? Come to page number 37. Page number 37. Read the following. Birds sing. Phones ring. People talk. Dogs bark. Cows moo. Cocks crow. Bees buzz. Children hush. So match the phrases with the picture. So take out your pencil and line matching. Do the line matching, okay? Take out your pencil and match the phrases with the pictures. The first one is given. A bird singing. So you have to match the picture of a bird with the phrases, okay? A bird singing. Next one is a cow mooing. So you have to see the picture of a cow and match it with the phrase a cow mooing. Next one is a phone ringing. You have to match with the picture of a phone. A dog barking. Just find the pictures with the phrases. A dog barking. Match it with the picture of a dog. A cock crowing. So match the picture of a crow. A cock crowing. The sound of a cock crowing. So there is a picture of a cock. Match it. Completed, all of you? Just upload your page. Upload your page. Who have completed? So we have completed all the exercises of this poem. Unit 4C song of this poem. We have completed all the exercises now. All of you completed? Joydeep? Okay. Come to page number 36. Come to page number 36. Say aloud with me, okay? And just notice the pronunciation. She sells seashells. She sells seashells on the seashore. So there are different pronunciation of she, na? We find here in these two lines the different pronunciations of she. So we have completed all the exercises of C song. All the question answers, word building. Let's write, choose the right words and then match the phrases with the pictures. All of you completed with me? Okay. In the next class, we will start a very interesting story about a little fish. A story about a little fish. Okay? Okay. Goodbye, students. And in the next class, we will start the story of a little fish. Okay? A story about a little fish.